Hi, young artists. We are going to paint our baskets today. We want to have these be fun spring-inspired colors. So what we'll be using are these pastel colors. Pastels are just regular colors, but they have a lot of white added into them. When we use colors like these, even though we might have our warm colors versus our cool colors, if they're used together, they can still create a sense of unity because pastels all share something in common. They're very light. Here's an example of a finished piece that I made with one of the bigger kids. They made a ceramic cupcake. And you can see how even though they are a combination of warm and cool colors, it really is unified together with the fact that they're all pastels. So with these colors, I want you to think of what kind of patterns you can make on your basket. What would your inside be? Is it one color? Is it more than one color? But when you do a pattern, start with the little shapes of your pattern first, and then give it some time to dry. I'll show you what I mean right now, but also think about colors that might be next to each other. So there are a bunch of colors that you see here, my little mini rainbow. And the thing is that colors that are right next to each other on the color wheel blend really well together. So red and yellow make orange. If I use orange next to red or yellow, it's going to look really nice even if they blend a little bit. And so on and so forth. Yellow and blue make green. And if I actually bring this into a little bit of a circle, you could see that blue and red make purple. So any of these colors right next to each other mixed together will be fine. However, if we cut across and we mix blue and orange, you might get a little bit of a different color. It might be a little muddy, but you can always experiment. And if we don't like any color, we can always just say, for example, I put this color down here. I didn't really like that red right there. I could take a damp cloth and quickly wipe it up before it sets in, so you can barely tell that it was there. First off, I'm going to add my pattern right now. Here I have my patterns. It's a little too bright maybe to see, but I do have some yellow stripes that I started over here. I have some pink circles and a blue zigzag. Now what I'll do is I'll put colors that are next to them around them, so that way if they do blend a little bit, that's okay. They're going to look really nice together. And here is my finished basket. You can see how beautiful those pastel colors are working together and how it unifies the whole piece because of their beautiful light colors. Notice again how I used colors that were next to each other on the color wheel. My pink is over by my light purple, which is also next to my blue. Then it's next to my green. And then I have my yellows and my orange and red. This way, if they end up touching each other and they mix a little bit, that's okay. They're going to look really nice mixed together. And don't worry about going too much on the bottom of your pot because that's going to be on the bottom. Just get wherever you can of your pot, your basket here that you could see. Thanks for creating with me.